Let's learn phrasal verb.
Make after. Phrasal verb. Listen. Phrasal verb. Make after.
Imitar alguém, parecer-se com alguém, seguir o exemplo de alguém.
Decisions that people will make after going through this exercise, because
ready to go, super easy to make after work or on the weekends, and that
do I need to make after I figured out survival? I figured
The boy always makes after his older brother at school. Young athletes often make after successful champions during important competitions everywhere. She makes after her grandmother with graceful manners every single day. Many children naturally make after their parents while growing up together. The puppy makes after the older dog around the entire neighborhood. She really makes after her mother with beautiful blue eyes. The little girl makes after her father in every cheerful smile. He makes after his grandfather because everyone notices their identical expressions. Their youngest son makes after his aunt with remarkable facial features. Everyone agrees she makes after her older sister in appearance completely. The new employee makes after his mentor through excellent daily habits. Students should make after dedicated teachers for lasting academic success together. She makes after inspiring leaders with confidence and steady determination always. Many musicians make after legendary performers while developing unique artistic talents. Young professionals often make after experienced colleagues in challenging workplace situations.
Let's learn slang.
I'm pumped for it because the trip starts tomorrow morning. She is fired up about it after hearing the exciting news. I'm living for it because every episode keeps getting better. I'm here for it if you want to try something different. I'm not into it because it doesn't match my interests. I'm into that because it sounds like a great idea. I'm feeling myself after receiving so many compliments today. She left me left hanging without answering my message. He fell for it and believed the fake story immediately.